Hi, this is Cici with whoknewresale, and I am back to do my review of the Konseen photography studio. This thing is amazing. So there are 3 height applications you can set it up for. I did this. It comes with 8 of these lighting strips. Right now, I have 6 applied, and it is way more than bright enough. I think I'm probably going to remove 2 of them. They come with a little dimmer, so you can, you can see the difference there. That was from just dimming one set. But ample light. The reviews on Amazon do indicate that the lighting strips go bad. I emailed the manufacturer beforehand to see if they were replaceable, and I didn't get a response, and other people kind of indicated they hadn't had any luck replacing them. That being said, I think I can make this work. I think it's going to be amazing for my purposes for taking pictures when it's cloudy out or it's nighttime. But basically what I have here is a extension cord coming and going into my studio. These are all clothes that I have to get posted, you guys. This is just anyway. So I've got all 3 of them plugged in. I do have another power strip that I'm not using for the other 2. And basically the way they connect is they have these little connectors at the end. And then let me see if I can find one here where you can see. And this cord comes out, and then each dimmer has 2 connections that can go to the strips. So let's talk about setup. The reviews indicated that this was really hard to set up. I'm going to add a series of pictures that kind of show my setup process. But if you're setting it up full height like this, let me tell you how I did it. You have 4 rods that are taller than all the other rods that they send you, which I think there's 12 of. Take those 4 tall rods. Those are your 4 corners. So they're your north, south, east, west. They are not the full height of this application. All the other rods are the same height. The 4 tallest rods have kind of a rubber connector piece on them. So go ahead and take 4 of the shorter rods, which is all you're going to have remaining, and put those into these 4 tallest rods. And then you're going to have 4 rods standing upright. And then basically you're just going to take the connector pieces. I'm going to show you. They've got extra. That's one of the shorter rods. But you can take one of these connector pieces and just start building it out. Then you're going to have a frame. And that's the easy part. And you'll have 1 piece left over if you're doing it this way like I did. The hard part is getting this Konseen, I know I'm mispronouncing that, getting that on the frame. Let me help you out. So what I did was I had the frame upright like this, and I start trying to, and the instructions tell you to do this, to build the black and silver frame material, or the reflective material, I don't know what it's called, but you know what I mean, to get this part around the frame. This is what you need to do to make this as easy as possible. Lay it face down. So this part right here that's open, make that touch the ground. And then you're going to take this, which comes assembled and all in one piece. And it has zippers on the side for some flexibility for getting it on. But go ahead, as it's face down, and fit this Konseen cover over the frame. The last corner you put it on, you're going to have to tug and stretch a little bit. Make sure your connections are taut, because if you have a loose connection where it's wider at one part of the frame than the other, you're going to have trouble getting the frame cover on. But if you've got them all tight and you put it face down and you work the cover over and then push it out upright, you're in business. And then all you've got to do is get the lighting out of the box. And the thing comes with little holes, you see my finger sticking out there, that you put the lighting wiring through, and you're good to go. I would highly recommend this piece. I'll put the link to it on Amazon below. I bought it for $3.19. I think I had a 15% off coupon. Today in January 2023, it's priced at $299.99. If you are a reseller who's struggling to have appropriate lighting to highlight your photos, I haven't used this yet. I haven't taken any photos, but I can tell if I'm doing, oh, and it comes with these PVC forms, and it comes with, I'm so sorry for all the noise. It comes with kind of white background to cover that silver, and then it's got some clips in here somewhere, y'all. I really want to show you guys the clips. It's actually a whole packet of them. Yeah. Somewhere in my assembly madness, I've mislaid those. Oh, here they go. So it comes with a packet of clips that you would hang on that rod up there to put any backdrop you wanted, really. But yeah, I would highly recommend this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. After I take some actual pictures for my reselling purposes and get them posted using this new little designer studio I have, I'll come back, maybe do another video or leave some comments below on how that's worked for me. But yeah, I would recommend this. The assembly was easy enough. I am a middle-aged woman. I put it together by myself. It wasn't heavy or cumbersome. Save yourself some time and put it face down after you get the frame assembled. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. Link to the product is below. And if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.